Today, I'm going to show you how to change a few SIM card and mobile network settings on your Android phone to boost your internet speed, improve stability, and even enhance your battery life. Our journey begins in your phone's main settings, the central hub for system adjustments. Locate the connections or network and internet section depending on the device you are using, then tap on Mobile Networks. Here, you'll find access point names, APNs, the gateways to your mobile carrier's data network. Select the active APN used for internet browsing, e.g., Safaricom Browse, in my case. Tapping on this active APN will open a detailed configuration screen where we can modify various parameters. Scroll through the APN settings, you will see option labeled Bearer. This setting dictates the radio access technologies that your phone will use to connect to the mobile network. By default, you might find Unspecified selected. While this might seem like a convenient option, allowing your phone to automatically search for and connect to any available network type, it can actually lead to inefficiencies. Your phone might waste valuable processing power and battery life constantly scanning for and attempting to connect to older network technologies that are no longer widely used or offer suboptimal performance. To optimize this, we need to manually select the network technologies that are currently relevant and widely deployed. Unchecking Unspecified will allow us to choose specific bearers. The recommendation here is to select LTE, Long-Term Evolution, up to eHRPD, Evolved High Rate Packet Data. LTE is the standard for 4G networks and offers significantly faster data speeds compared to older 2G and 3G technologies. eHRPD is a 3G evolution that can still be encountered in some regions. By specifically selecting these, we instruct our phone to prioritize these faster and more efficient network types. Following this, it is also beneficial to select NR, New Radio. NR is the technology underpinning 5G networks, the latest and fastest generation of mobile communication. If 5G is available in your region and supported by your device and carrier, selecting NR will ensure that your phone automatically connects to these high-speed networks whenever available. By carefully selecting LTE up to eHRPD and NR, we are essentially telling our phone to focus on the most modern and efficient network technologies, reducing the time and resources spent searching for outdated ones. After selecting the appropriate bearers, scroll further down and tap OK to save these changes. You will then typically find a three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap this and select Save. Save will apply the changes you have made to the APN settings. Now, let's move on to the next crucial setting. Return to the Mobile Networks menu, where you initially found the Access Point Names option. Here, you will likely see an option related to network mode. If your phone has dual SIM card slots, you will see this option listed for each SIM individually. The network mode setting determines the preferred network type that your SIM card will connect to. Often, you will find that all network modes or a similar option is selected by default. While this allows your phone to connect to any available network type, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, it can lead to unnecessary battery drain as your phone constantly scans for and switches between different network technologies. To optimize this, it is best to manually select the network mode that is most prevalent and offers the best performance in your region. For example, if 5G is widely available in your area and your device and plan support it, selecting 5G preferred or a similar option will instruct your phone to prioritize 5G networks. This ensures that you automatically connect to the fastest available network without wasting resources searching for slower, less desirable options. Similarly, if your region primarily uses 4G LTE, selecting LTE preferred will achieve the same benefit. The key is to choose the highest performing network technology that is consistently available in your location. By doing so for both SIM cards if applicable, you minimize the phone's need to constantly scan for different network types, leading to improved battery life. With these fundamental network settings adjusted, let's delve into another set of configurations that can directly influence your internet speed and stability. Navigate back to the main settings, then to Connections, followed by Mobile Networks, and then Access Point Names. Select the active APN for your internet connection once again. This time, we will focus on the Authentication Type setting. The authentication type specifies the method used by your phone to authenticate with your mobile carrier's network when establishing a data connection. You will typically see options like PAP, CHAP, or PAP or CHAP. PAP, Password Authentication Protocol, is a simpler authentication method, while CHAP, Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, is considered more secure. The PAP or CHAP option allows the network to choose either method. Interestingly, the optimal authentication type for internet speed can vary depending on your geographical location and the specific mobile operator you are using. What works best for one user or network might not be the same for another. Therefore, I suggest a practical approach of testing each option to determine which yields the fastest internet speed in your specific context. The first step is to select PAP as the authentication type. After making this change, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Save. It is crucial to restart your phone after saving these changes. A restart ensures that the new configuration is fully applied to your mobile network connection. Once your phone has rebooted, perform internet speed test using any website. Search for speed test. Then run the test. Note down the download and upload speeds you obtain with the PAP authentication setting. Next, we will test the CHAP authentication type. Navigate back to the APN settings. This time, select CHAP. Again, tap the three-dot menu and save the changes. Following this, restart your phone once more to ensure the new setting is active. After the reboot, conduct another internet speed test and record the results. Finally, you can also test the PAP or CHAP option if you wish, following the same procedure of selecting the option, saving, restarting, and then running a speed test. Once you have performed speed tests with each of the authentication types, PAP, CHAP, and potentially PAP or CHAP, compare the results. Identify which authentication type yielded the highest download and upload speeds. In my case, PAP or CHAP option resulted in the fastest internet speed. Therefore, you should select and save the authentication type that performed best in your testing. This personalized optimization ensures that you are using the authentication method that is most efficient for your specific network environment. And if you were amazed by how these simple settings made such a big difference, then you're definitely going to enjoy the next two videos I've lined up for you. The first one, on the left side of the screen, dives deep into the universal Android debloater tool, which helps you remove all the junk apps that slow down your device. The second one, right there on the right side of the screen, shows you 6 hidden Windows hacks you've never used, and trust me, they will blow your mind. I will see you there.